Okay, guys, welcome back. Wow, suddenly seven people drop off already. So a lot of people coming for the market talk, no one revision. Okay, never mind. So we're going to review what happened yesterday in the market and see how can we improve. Now, to me, this second segment is always very important because you will learn the technique and then prepare yourself. Because if you just keep on listening to me, my market talk, and then you don't revise what you're supposed to do, then I think at the end of the day, you will suffer. And I realize this every time when I go from morning talk to the revision, right, definitely 5 to 6 people will just leave immediately. Okay, never mind. That is their choice. I just continue my part. Yeah. Okay, let's go into the market, the revision now. Okay, so let's take a revision and then take a look here. This is what happened yesterday on the Dow Jones, where the market opens right above the pivot one. And once the market stays above OP, it was a very, very strong buy signal. Now, I know that you may say, but Kel, but the KSI is red, the KCX is blue. How can you say it's a strong signal? Now, remember, I already said this up 10 times. There's any part of my indicator, like from KSI to KCX to other thing, or is my creation. But come to pivot itself, right? I already said this many times before. Pivot, the creation is really not from me. Now it's not that I copy someone else or because I have something that I took from other people. No, because pivots, the origin of it, right? I said many times before, it came from on top. I believe that someone passed me this information through somewhere, through the universe, and that happened to be my antenna, happened to touch on it, and then created that. So for me, using this pivot so many donkey years, right? I can tell you one thing: go against the pivot, you get hit. So when the market is above OP and above pivot one, no matter what you tell me, what fundamental, whatever nonsense, even the indicator can be the most bearish. If the market want to buy and it's above OP, it's above pivot one, just buy. Don't care, don't bother. And of course, straight away you can see the market go for the MLP and even go for the KCL, right? Because that is where the market was. Okay, so let's see what happened during the intraday movement. Yeah. So this is what happened to this Dow Jones in the morning. So straight away there was a buy strong diamond right on this area, and you can see market stays above the line after that. Then after that we have the second to third diamond where if you place a line in properly, you will see there's a breakout of here, and the market eclipsed and took down the KDR 1+2. Only very much later, about 2 hours, there was another wave. And if you draw the diamond, you will notice that the market stays really above the line. And then the boys were all heavily buying, and retail came in at the same time, and bang, bang, bang. This is how it went. So when the price comes down, you may not have the diamond on top. So you may say, hey, this is not accurate. Now, do note my system itself is not about picking the high or picking the low. Really, seriously, although we do have a few times picking the bottom and some at the top, but like this particular example, there's nothing available. So you will say, oh, this guy not good because there's nothing available. But the thing is this, you look at it now, the diamonds is below you, you just buy here itself, you still go up. What? So what's the issue here? So that's why I say I'm not here to compete with people, the best trading software. Because someone asked me this, Kel, a best trading software will buy here and then sell here and buy here and then sell here. I say, wow, this is not trading software. This is already a GOD level already. No such thing. If the market you can predict all these things, here buy, here sell, here buy, here sell, you're not going to be a trader. You're already GOD level already. Okay, what's GOD? Okay, think about it yourself, yeah? Okay, so how do you trade, right? So you see there is this particular point whereby you see that the market has a diamond, place a line across it, and this is what I love to see. I always like to see where the market break out first, then go up, then after it go up for a while, right, it pull back down, and then it come very near the line. Oh, I love this. I tell you, this is really the one you can whack cut and buy heavily because usually because of that type of power, the market will zoom. Wow, incredible. So same thing again, you have this thing here, you draw the line. This time around, you don't have the luxury of a pullback, so the market just cascade all the way up and then cover the so-called KCB of a red candle that is coming down quite a fair bit. All right. Although this KCB cannot use for intraday, but it's just that if you want to really as a target, then look out for the longer candle. All right. So that is the Dow Jones. Now let's look at the gold market yesterday. Dow gold obviously itself yesterday opened at 34.24, very nice level. MLP was 33.78. So what happened? The market opens only shoot up, right? And then it went past to pivot one at 34.77. That's where we take our first profit. But the one that we are looking for, the ultimate price was 34.96. So of course, again, the KSI was really red, but the KCS was really black. So what happened? What should we do? So as a trader, it's all right. What you need to do is just still buy gold when it's above OP. That's a fact. But then because of the KSI, you just have to reduce your quantity and your target. So if the first target is 3477, take first. Or KTR take first, then progressively towards the end, then take the remaining. Now, in the market is bullish itself, it's a bit different. Market is bullish, right? You can don't take profit as it goes up. You can just monitor it until you find a very good level, and there's a maximum level you think so for today. Then you take a profit. Okay, so let's go to the 5 minute chart and see what happened to the gold chart. Oh my God, this is really very sad. Okay, so first of all, at the start of the day, there was a four diamond right here. And then if you just pull it in, you will see the magic here itself. The market got pulled back and the market really, really recover. And then after that, subsequently, there's another pullback, another pullback over here, the next bar. So this tells you that a lot of people don't trust the gold market. Then after that, we have blue diamond, a blue arrow because the market broke over pivot one and it's above OP. So to see a blue arrow is not a good sign if you are short, yeah. Then after that, the gold price go very near to the 3496 level and miss it by a little bit. Then it came down for about 2 hours. Then we have the next diamond, but this time is a double diamond, and the market is zoom hits the level very nicely. Okay, so after that itself, and that was where things become crazy. You have a diamond, you just draw a line. Yes, you may be buying at the start, maybe 20 minutes later you are selling already. So the same thing actually repeat later on. I can see that, and you can see that the continuation is the same. And then if you look at this one here, so it's very clear that we know that there is some recovery here, but once the market close below it, so the selling will continue. So you look at it, and that's why I want you to take some time to look at what you have done and then what you can redo. So once the market turns red in color, and of course you can reverse, okay, we can all go for the sell. So even though fundamental call for buy, we just have to follow the market and do what we need to do. Yeah. Okay, so this is the expanded view of the gold price. You can see clearer now. You can see the market stops here very nicely, and that's where you buy. Same thing, this one is over here. This guy is, just try to support the bill, and then the price also went up. Then after that, you have two diamonds over here, and then you have to try it out yourself here, and you see the accurate is really there. So at the start, we should buy. Then when it pulls back, now we can sell gold here. So I'm sell gold here. There's nothing wrong to sell gold here, really nothing wrong because you're following a rule. And despite you say, well, Kel, I thought we're supposed to buy when it's above OP, correct. But once the market goes below the line, you just have to sell. All right, all clear? If all clear, press the next number, number 6. So when you trade my system itself, you just have to follow the rules. So you don't care about the fundamental and stuff like that. Those fundamentals just giving me all the heads up on what might be expecting to happen. So again, this is the gold chart. So let me show you what you can do. So I'm going to show you the difference there, how everybody ranks differently. Okay, let me show it to you, the finalists and the thing here. Okay, so you can see at the start there was some recovery on the gold price, but after 3 bars later it went down and it stays down. So you cannot be buying, you must be selling. Yeah, that's a fact number one. Fact number two is that you can see after that there were again some buying interest in gold, but also at the same time you also notice that it doesn't stay up too long, and then after that it reverse and the price have to come down. Can you see over here? Yeah, so it went up first initially, then after that it reversed a strong red color, and that's why boom, market come down. This one was clearer, the market didn't even go up much, next bar come down. This one go up for one moment, next bar come down. This one stay up a little bit, next bar come down. So you can see that when the market is retreating itself, the arrows plays a very big part on where to gauge if the market is selling or buying, rather than you just stick here and sell and hope for the best, maybe expect the market to shoot out and stuff. That one I don't think will happen, at least for now. Okay, all right. So that will be the all of our sharing on the revision. Now, remember, guys, that later on at this 2 p.m. Singapore time, please be around. I want to share with you the important thing about the A book and B book broker, and also I will do some reward management to share with all of you here itself. Okay. All right. Time check is 10:35. I think we are there already for timing wise. I can do one more to go. Let me just hang on for a while. This is oil. So oil yesterday has a diamond, but the one that we must use is only this one here. So this is the point that the market have to stay above. All right. So this is what happened to oil yesterday. Let me just show to you. So oil yesterday, same thing. There was warning sign given. Then there was this buy reason, and this is the buy reason. We're all done. You have done it properly. Then after that, we see the market heavily resisted by the pivot one. It hangs around here for quite a while. Then after that, on his own, he believes that the market is bottom. So he just actually can take the point from, can take the thing here and say, yeah, you can buy here because the diamond is all there. So when the market pulls back, right, it went below here. The line and the KSI also turned red. I was kind of asked this question, Kel, what do you do next? I said that let's wait for 5 minute bar and take a look. And true be told, the next 5 minute bar become yellow. Phew. So that's why I know that the price is going to go higher. So I told my friend this, just buy, no problem, change. And when the price break above the pivot, which is here, which is done by told you about by software, then you can buy and add position from here onwards for KTR 1, 2, and 3. Now, this is where it get very interesting. Do you see a cluster of green color? Yes, I told you, right? When you see a cluster of green dots, what will happen? Either going to have a big upside or a big downside, remember? And it all manifested yesterday itself. So that is why I say, remember what I say to you every day, take some notes and then trade all your best in the market. All right, guys, that will be all. Take care. Thank you very much. I'll see you at 2 p.m. later. Bye-bye.